what? What'd you say?
I found a ball.
Close that door.
It's a bouncy ball. Yeah, it's a bouncy ball.
Uh-oh.
I found a ball.
You gotta catch your ball,
I
bro.
found a bouncy ball.
Yeah, I saw that one already too.
I found a bouncy ball.
Good. So you want to play football, your mom make you bring Crocs.
Yes.
Sounds like a big problem. Gotta talk to her about that.
Which way are we going? That way?
Yeah.
You don't know the way?
I forgot.
You forgot?
Yes.
Oh, man.
I know the way.
So guess we're going that way.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Let's go.
You want to race?
I will run and leave you.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, listen, right.
Can you hold this for me?
Hold the camera so I run and leave him.
Oh, you're gonna put it down?
All right.
Oh, I'll just put these down then.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it.
Come on.
Okay, I'll stay right here.
Ready? Set. Go.
He's still going.
I could have ran left.
He's up. He got a stretch for it. He won. Here he goes. I'll hold it for the rest of the thing, I think. I'll just record it. Okay, I'll turn it over. We're going to the park.
Nah, I just saw you were like, we're going to the park.
I couldn't hold it so much. Oh.
What happened?
Okay, do you want to race?
You want to race me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You hold this. Oh, my bouncy ball. Okay, 3, all the way to the...
I had to stand at the same spot.
Come on. 3, 2, 1.
She won. She won. Hey, wait, no, wait, we don't use excuses, brother.
Huh?
We don't use excuses.
I'm actually tired.
All right, get out of the road.
That was actually fun race.
I want to hold the camera.
All right.
Wait, is that a G-Wagon?
No. Huh? Yeah, over there. It looks like it gonna rain. Look at that. Splendid. Alright, I'm recording. I'm recording.
Alright, throw the ball. Don't throw the ball now.
Okay. I'll only throw it at the
Hey, was that Julio? Oh, you ain't gonna leave me, alright?
Keep going. Hey.
Alright. Look at this girl. It's over. If I drop the football and it goes in the street.
Look, it's Samantha's car.
What? I thought I think and it was going to
It was going that way.
no, it was going the one that I saw was going to this place. It's gonna be over.
Look how you see it.
All right, y'all, we out here. We decided to walk to the park today. I got the youngins with me. Decided to walk to the park. We're about to get it in. I didn't know we were gonna be playing football. My man said he want to play football, so we're gonna play football. You gonna go to the park? You can run. You can. I'll walk you over there. I was gonna let it go. Then I thought about it.
We're
We're gonna throw some
We're not
football.
gonna go through the game.
No, we're gonna walk around.
Alright.
But that's what we're doing, y'all.
You can't go by yourself.
Y'all gonna spend a little bit of day with little bit of the day with me. Okay, you're gonna spend a little bit of the day with me. So.
I'm gonna keep
Welcome.
this right here so it doesn't.
Got some young soccer players over there. Okay, get it in. Y'all, you ready?
Tell them that we're gonna run to it. We're gonna work out, get the muscles in.
Okay then.
Run as fast as you can.
Okay. Y'all
All
ready?
the way to that park.
Oh, y'all don't. You want to throw the ball no more? You
I do, but I'm gonna. Don't you say you're gonna walk around?
We're gonna throw the ball first.
We're gonna play here for a little bit.
Yep.
I want to do a game with 1-1.
Alright. What? You should have brought some gloves. Know what he doing? You got shorts on under those? Do you have shorts underneath? Oh, good job. Good job.
They made with shorts.
That's good.
Okay, I need to dust off.
All right, people. Guess what just happened? My freaking tripod just broke. Look at this. I'm trying to get y'all as much footage as possible. Get y'all some good footage. I don't know. It can't screw back on, but it look like it should be. It should screw. I'm gonna crazy glue it. I have to order another. I got a few tripods actually, but for cameras. But that one is for cameras and phone. You know, I like that combination because sometimes I record with my phone, sometimes I record with my camera. But we out here. What was that, Orion? All right, give me the ball. I'll throw it to you so you can catch it. Woo-hoo! That's what I'm talking about. All right. Got this.
I'm gonna go far. No, because the last pass gets to me. Oh.
Catch any ball, y'all. It doesn't matter. One hand.
Ah!
Put the hand out. That's like that. Watch this. Well, he didn't have enough strength. He ain't had enough strength. It's all good. Okay. I should have. One hand, baby. All the time, one hand. Hey. Go right. All right, y'all. We about to head on over to the park. Where he had his little slides and all that. I didn't get y'all none of the me shaking up somebody, breaking ankles, catching all the balls on them. Pause. Yeah. Kind of had nothing on me because of my tripod. What a great time for the tripod to break. They probably broke.
It was a really great time to go to the park.
What was that?
But this is the one day that it feels like summer in a rainy season.
That's what it feels like?
Yeah, it feels like summer and it's in the rainy season.
Okay. All right, I guess.
Oh, I just want to take off my shirt.
You just want to what?
Do you want to take off your shirt?
You ain't taking off no shirt.
Can I take off mine?
I wish I had an undershirt.
Nah, you better go over there to the slides. No, keep your shirt on. You ain't swole like me.
You're not swole.
Whoa.
You look just like me.
Nope.
No, he does not.
And I'm not even fat.
You're not fat. I never said you was fat.
I'm buff like him.
That's right. Tell him
He's
again, all
strong,
right.
not buff.
Buff.
He's
Haters.
strong,
You
not buff.
hear all this hate?
Buff.
Haters. All around.
Just take facts.
Hate.
I'm gonna go like do 50 push-ups at the park.
You know how much push-ups you gonna do?
I tried to do 50 push-ups in my kindergarten before.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm really strong. I don't know how.
You're really
I'm
strong.
like a superhuman.
You're superhuman?
I think I am.
You're really strong. I believe you. I believe you. You're stronger than the average. Say that again?
Be buff.
You want to be what?
I want to be buff.
And you're obsessed with working out?
Woo!
For some reason, I don't know why.
And you like to eat healthy too.
She doesn't.
You
But
said
I do.
no?
I do.
Well, you got to add the eating healthy with it.
I love to eat healthy.
All right.
I just poured a whole bunch of water on my face.
I eat broccoli before. I don't know. Broccoli's pretty good.
Broccoli's pretty good.
Raw broccoli.
Ooh,
Okay.
my sweat's getting off.
I love carrots because I love the crunching sound.
That's so.
I like them. But for some reason, I don't like peeled carrots.
You don't like peeled carrots?
Peeled carrots? What do you mean, peeled carrots?
Explain yourself.
I don't know how.
I love carrots. My mom does make carrots. She was making rice and curry chicken, right? While she was making the
Over there. Why you following me, bro?
while she was making the carrot, in the thing, I asked if I could have a carrot. She said yeah. She gave me a whole carrot. No, she gave me like a big piece of carrot.
So you ate a carrot like a rabbit?
I'm like,
Oh, man.
well, most of the time when I have a whole carrot, I just think of Bugs Bunny. Like, what's up, Doc?
Pause.
Carrots,
Pause.
Huh?
Nothing.
I know what pause means.
What do you mean?
Why is it no dog?
You say something weird and then you're like, pause. It not that way. I don't mean it that way.
Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. That's where the action's at, y'all.
Did they take off the swing?
No hitting the balls into the fence. Pause.
I'm having to swing.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
The swing was my favorite part.
That ain't funny, y'all. You can't open it. You can't open it. You can't go in there. If you can't open it, that means you don't belong. Okay, I guess you belong. You belong then.
Hey, what does this one even do then?
It's to lock you in here.
It doesn't even work.
What don't work?
The basketball.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Can you hold this and put it in your pocket?
Put it in my pocket.
Thank you. That doesn't really work. I'm gonna take off my shoes and just.
That's what you got. All right, y'all. I'm kicking it on the ground because the chair over there, no shade. But therefore, I'm kicking it, hanging out with the youngs, you know. They keep you young. You hang out with the youngs, you stay young. They keep you young. But that's what it is, y'all. That's what my. They don't want nothing to eat from the house. What?
Wait, what days Chick-fil-A closed on?
We ain't getting no Chick-fil-A. I can make Chick-fil-A for you from scratch. They don't want nothing home cooked. Today, bro, I cook better than Chick-fil-A.
No, you can't.
I can cook way better than them. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna make for y'all. I'm gonna go and make some Chick-fil-A homemade. What you want? What you want from Chick-fil-A?
Now I know what's falling down the stairs.
Chicken sandwich? I'm gonna make you a homemade chicken sandwich. Better than Chick-fil-A.
No. Chick-fil-A's the best.
Now I know what falling
They're the
down
best.
Now
Yeah.
I know what falling down the stairs feels like.
Man, get your butt up off that dirty thing, boy.
I fell down the stairs. Oh, my arm.
Okay, why do you keep trying to do something?
You talking about you hungry, y'all.
I'm not failing. I'm succeeding.
That's right. I like that. I like how you switch that up. I'm not feeling. I'm succeeding. Hey, we speak life over everything. You see that? They've been in that
I just
environment.
fumbled.
They've been in the environment.
I just fumbled, but I could pick it back up.
Right. Let's talk about environment,
I
guys.
am strong. I am
Environment.
beautiful. I am flexible. I am everything.
I'm the best person I could be.
I
Touch
am
me.
smart.
I'm the best person I could be.
You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You gotta create that environment, guys. You gotta create that environment, and they just gonna
Anything
repeat what
you
they
have,
see.
you
They
can
gonna,
A powerful
you
right
know,
arm.
that's just how we are. We gonna
Everything
repeat
you
what we
have,
see.
Everything you have, you can use.
That's right. Our environment is very important, not just for kids, just as adults. You
Here's
do what
one
you
last
see.
lesson. Here's one last lesson.
Uh-oh. Talk to me. Tell me something.
Here's one thing that you should always remember.
Uh-huh.
You should always be nice. You should always be nice to your elders because you don't know when they could die. You have to always be nice, no matter what. You have to always be nice.
And never give up.
I don't know. That one was weird. I need one.
Pull that off the internet. It's a sign saying "Welcome to the Orange Juice."
You about to be on YouTube, Matt.
Not yet, man.
You going on right now?
Like that right now.
I'm vlogging. I need one of these, guys. I need one of these. How much is it?
I gotta get her. She want that.
That price not bad though.
No, it's not.
$6.69 is not
Get it,
bad.
but we gonna have to really, you know what I mean?
This brand right here, DG. That's a good brand. I know that for a fact because I'm about to buy a vlogging camera with that.
Now, look, everything about to go on sale on the Black Friday.
Mac, you get that, boy. We on, people. Sorry, camera died in the process, so you guys didn't get the day, but we ended the day off by eating some fries. It's better than Chick-fil-A. Some cheese sticks that's better than Chick-fil-A. And yeah, and I dropped them off. They went back home. Yeah, that's it, man. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. I'm about to go turn some corners with the rib. And that's that.